All right, the next part of the section we are going to be dealing with dividing radicals. So just like with multiplication, to divide, these indices, so the roots, have to be exactly the same. And then we're going to start by simplifying the fraction. And if we can continue to simplify, then we always keep simplifying if we can. Now, these first set of examples are going to work out nicely for us because remember, we're not allowed to have a radical in the denominator. So the next videos we'll worry about those types of examples. Okay, so same roots. So 32 divided by negative 4 is going to be the cubed root of, and it's going to be negative 8. And then I can keep simplifying that. So this one, our final answer will be negative 2. All right, next one. So 243 divided by 27. So that's going to work out nicely. So this will simplify to be 9, square root of 9. And then we can keep simplifying that to get 3. All right, same thing for the next one. So square root, square root. So 12 divided by 3 is going to be 4. And then x to the 4th divided by x will be x cubed. And then we still have the square root. And the denominator is now 1 since both of those canceled out. And the square root of 1 is just 1. So if we want, we can write that. So we would have the square root of 1 in the denominator. So again, we just keep simplifying. So the square root of 4 will be 2. And then for the x's, I would split as, so if we do x squared and x, that's just 1. So the square root of x squared is just x, so that will come out. So we'll have 2x square root of x. And then since it's over 1, we don't need to write that. So that is our final simplified answer. And our last example, so again, square root and square root. So 50 divided by 2 is 25. And then we have 4 x's in the numerator, 6 in the denominator. So if we subtract, we would get 2. And because we have more in the denominator, that's where our simplified answer needs to go. So this will be an x squared. Both of these are still in the radical because we haven't taken the square root of anything yet. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of x squared is x. Final simplified answer.